Hi guys, and welcome to today's lesson, which is for anyone who wants to take reggae music that little bit further and learn an actual reggae song. Today we're going to look at perhaps the most famous reggae song of all time, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. This tune was first released in 1977 on the album Exodus, but it wasn't released as a single until 1980. And Carlton Barrett, the drummer from the Wailers, gives us a great insight into how we can vary our one-drop groove when playing reggae music. So I hope you've enjoyed learning this tune. It's a fantastic tune to learn, and if you can play this, then you know the chances are at some point, being a gigging drummer, you'll use it somewhere. It's such a common song and people always want to hear it, so it's a great song to learn. Make sure you listen to the actual recording and don't just stop at Three Little Birds. Listen to the whole of that album, Exodus. It's a fantastic album with lots of great tunes on. Explore other Bob Marley albums. You know that he's got tons and tons and tons of really famous hits that have been played by tons of other musicians after him, so check it out. Secondly, by listening to this music, you'll hear Carlton Barrett and you'll notice that he doesn't stick rigidly to the groove that we've transcribed today, which is why when I've notated this, I've notated 2 bars and then I've just run slashes. Those slashes mean that you can just continue in a similar sort of fashion. Obviously, you're not going to start playing a hip-hop groove or a heavy metal groove. You need to stick to that reggae one-drop idea, but you have some liberty to vary that one-drop groove as you see fit, and use your discretion. You might want to vary it quite a lot, you might not want to vary it quite so much, but the only way you're going to know how much to vary this stuff is by listening, as I said, to Bob Marley and the Wailers and listening to Carlton Barrett and hearing how he plays. Have some fun with it, and I'll see you next time.